the US Federal Reserve kept interest rates steady as policymakers warned of rising economic uncertainty amid growing fears of tariff-fueled inflation. While Fed Chair Jerome Powell said the risk of a recession is not high, the central bank cut its GDP growth projections for 2025. But Mr. Powell's thread-the-needle approach, he said tariffs will actually have only a transitory effect on inflation and forecast 2 rate cuts this year, was welcomed by investors. However, you must note that some experts argue that the persistent uncertainty shows how the Fed is as lost in the wilderness as the rest of us, trying to decipher the continual shifts in the economic policy from 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. Just listen in to what the Fed chair had to say.
If you look at outside forecasts, forecasters have generally raised, a number of them have raised their possibility of a recession somewhat, but still at relatively moderate levels, still in the region of the traditional, because they were extremely low. If you go back 2 months, people were saying that the likelihood of a recession was extremely low. So has moved up, but it's not high.